Welcome to our detailed review of the Nuroum 360 Pro, the all-in-one conference camera designed to transform hybrid meetings with professional-grade audio and immersive 360-degree video. Whether you're running a corporate boardroom, teaching a virtual class, or hosting an important client call, this device promises to streamline your collaboration. But does it live up to expectations? Let's dive in and find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. From the moment you unbox it, the Nuroum 360 Pro commands attention with its sophisticated aesthetic and thoughtful packaging. The minimalist yet premium box opens to reveal every essential component meticulously arranged. The camera itself at the center, flanked by a USB-C to USB-A cable with an extra USB-C adapter for modern devices, a sleek wireless remote for intuitive control, power adapter, and a well-designed quick start guide that gets you up and running in minutes. The device itself exudes quality. Its matte two-tone chassis feels substantial yet refined, designed to complement both contemporary home offices and professional conference rooms. The top surface features streamlined touch controls for muting the microphone with 6 microphones, adjusting volume levels with a swipe, the 360-degree fisheye lens with Sony sensor, and cycling between 3 smart AI video modes, which I will demonstrate with you later. Practical details elevate the experience. An LED status ring at the bottom that pulses red when muted, a sturdy universal mounting thread for tripods, and a rear panel with both USB-C and power inputs for flexible connectivity. Every design choice reflects a balance of elegance and functionality, making it clear this isn't just another webcam. It's a centerpiece for modern collaboration. Setting up the 360 Pro couldn't be easier. Just plug in the USB cable and your computer instantly recognizes it without any additional drivers. It's fully compatible with popular platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx, as well as smart TVs, making it a versatile choice for any meeting environment. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or even a conference room display, the camera works right out of the box with no hassle. When it comes to video quality, the Nuroum 360 Pro truly excels. Featuring professional fisheye lenses with a 12-megapixel Sony sensor and a 360-degree field of view, it captures every detail in stunning Full HD at 30 frames per second. The AI-powered auto-framing technology intelligently tracks speakers as they move around the room, keeping everyone in focus without the need for manual adjustments. Traditional video conference cameras offer only a single angle, often leaving remote participants unsure of who is speaking. However, the Nuroum 360 Pro changes the game. Its advanced AI automatically switches to the active speaker and keeps them centered in the frame even as they move. This ensures a seamless and professional meeting experience every time. Audio performance is equally impressive thanks to 6 beamforming microphones with a up to 5-meter pickup range. Advanced noise suppression eliminates background distractions, keeping voices crisp and clear even in noisy settings. The dual 8-watt hi-fi speakers provide rich, room-filling sound, and with 360-degree audio tracking, voices are specially matched to their position on screen, making conversations feel more natural. Let's hear the sound quality of the speakers. Now, here is my final verdict. Is the Nuroum 360 Pro worth it? If you need a high-end, all-in-one conference camera that delivers professional-grade video, immersive audio, and smart speaker tracking, this is an exceptional choice. Yes, it comes at a premium price, but the seamless, hassle-free experience it provides makes it a smart investment for businesses, educators, and remote teams looking to elevate their meetings. Ready to transform your meeting setup? Click the links below for exclusive deals. Would you pick the Nuroum 360 Pro for your workspace? Share your thoughts in the comments. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Nuroum 360 Pro all-in-one meeting camera. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.